Hey everybody, this is a sad day, very sad. I'm going to do something that goes against my nature, goes against everything that I'm about in the preservation of these model cars, and that is I'm about to open this. It's wrapped in plastic and it's been that way since 1965. But we're about to see what lies inside of this kit. There was controversy, somewhat controversy, when I first started collecting these IMC 48 Fords. Many people said they were not wrapped in plastic. This is not what this video is about. But some people did say those were wrapped at the store. They weren't. IMC did wrap all of their kits in plastic. Someone said you ought to open one up and see what's in there. Maybe a bunch of junk parts that somebody's just thrown in a box and resealed. We're about to find out. But what mostly I want to do is, I've been encouraged by George Woods, Sean the model car guy, scale model car guy Sean. These had rubber tires. They would burn up everything, much like the IMC Volkswagen Beetle I got had burn marks. Because this is a brand new kit, this thing is in pristine shape. I mean, absolutely pristine shape. And once it's opened, it's open. I mean, there's no putting it back. But I'm curious to see, because of a kit sitting on the shelf for so long, and wherever this one was at, it was probably in climate controlled, pretty much climate controlled, or not too hot, not too cold, because the box is absolutely beautiful. I have two more that are still sealed. Those have Woolworths and another price tag on those two. I will never open those because I think it's so cool. The price tags are still on. This one doesn't have anything like that. But I've got that and that. And I need a drink of water before I do this because this is going to be bad. Alright. I'm going to do it. Oh man. Are you sure you want to do this? You can always turn the camera off, Matthew. They'll never know you even tried it. I'm curious to see what it looks like inside. Alright, let's do it. Man. Some people said before, you can just cut the bottom off and you can leave the plastic. That doesn't make any difference to me. If it's opened, it's open. You might as well take the plastic off. Alright, let's do it. Yes, I am going to do this. Get with it, Matthew. I'm going to turn the video off. Oh, there is one spot right there on the corner that's already torn, so it makes me feel a little bit better. Wow. I've got a bunch of these that are already open too, so just to do this for the sake of, oh man, okay, here we go. Let's see what's inside here. Let's see how it looks. Oh wow, beauty, beautiful. Look at that. So that's how these things go. I've never opened one up that hadn't already been rummaged and rummaged through. So this isn't a box opening like let's show all the parts. Although IMC had some jam up chrome trees. They had some great ones. Great. There's that. And I'm glad I'm watching the video or making a video so I can put it back like it came out. Here's the instructions. Let's see if they had any, isn't that cool? Look at that. See if they had anything else. There's some paperwork in the bottom. Okay. So I'll try to put this stuff back. I'll never get it back in there like it's supposed to. Here's the body that's been in there, hidden in the dark since 1965. Isn't that cool, man? This is really bright. I apologize. Yep, in the dark. These things take a lot of work to make look right. I want to get down to the tires. Curious to see how many parts are broken off of the sprues and things. There's your two roofs. Yep, I'll never get this all to go back in there right. It's brand new. I mean, this thing is brand new. Brand spanking new. Trying to be careful. I don't want to break everything off the spruce. They really had them packed in there nice. There's the tires. Oh gosh. Well, at least, oh, right on top of the glass. Right on top of the glass. Why didn't they think about that? Okay, maybe this isn't a 1965 model. Oh yeah, look at that tire. Couldn't be a 1960. It's got to be late 60s, early 70s. There's a tire. Melted. But it didn't melt on anything important. It was just on the sprue. Those down there are looking like important stuff. Yeah, so this kit here is, look at that. But it, oh man, I thought it missed a windshield. But that's the short windshield. It's got a burn mark right there. But the actual regular windshield looks to be, other than a little scuff right there, looks to be great. Oh, headlight stuck to the tire, and the quarter glass, big quarter glass got ruined, and a tire mark on the small quarter glass. Jeez, but that's just straight up flat clear plastic. So you got your two drag tires, your pie crust drag tires that are nice and sticky. So there's those, really sticky. So that's what I heard, that they were actually made out of rubber, and the rubber really broke down and would melt everything. Oh man, there's a tire on a back window. Back window's ruined, at least that back window. There's two. No, there's just a single back window. Oh well, it's ruined. I wouldn't use the convertible top anyway, or the top. No, there is two. There's another one here, and it's fine. I don't know which one went in what top. Oh well. Here's your chrome strips, which I'd never use. Here are your white wall cutouts. The little ring around the outside is the white wall for your tires. And then this explains to me that this is not a, oh, here's your decals. They're no good, but that's them. Okay, so let's see what else. We saw one of these just recently when I was looking at the, I think it was the Volkswagen kit. Alright, so this kit cannot be a 1965 because the moon, what was it, 69? Yeah, I mean, see, that picture was, I'm doing air quotes, that picture was taken on the moon. Anyway, that was so this is at the oldest, a 1969 edition, but more than likely it's a 1970 edition, and that's where you place your dime if you want to order, get your moon landing craft with a trial membership for 10 cents. And you put your dime there and you fold the card up. But this video isn't about the kit. It's not about, all we have off the tree is a headlight lens because it was stuck to a tire. It still looks okay though. A steering, I think a steering component, your tail lights, and one of those these things that go right there, the black thing right in front of the rear fender. That's what that is. So everything is really still attached, but the damage is done. The tires won the match. They ruined some glass, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. So I can at least now say that I've opened up one of my IMC 48 Ford kits, and here are the contents. And there were some damaged parts, and I can't believe they would put the tires right on top of the glass, even if they didn't think the tires were going to break down. You know, why didn't they put some protection on that glass? I don't know. Anyway, enough said. You guys saw it right here on Model Car Videos. I opened up, and that box is absolutely beautiful. Perfect condition. It will go back on the shelf. Now I'm going to try to get it all back together. I'll probably have to back this video up to try to get all the parts in there correctly, but I wanted to do that on camera. There's the plastic right there. We'll have to bury it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hey, go check out Hobby Nut Models if you hadn't already. HobbyNutModels.com, linked in the description of the video. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't. Check out the Facebook group. Check out the Spring store, where you can get yourself a Model Car Video sticker, coffee mug, hoodie. It's getting cold outside, and things like that. And to my Patreon members, guys, thank you so much for your support. And this is no more a sealed 48 Ford kit. It is a opened 48 Ford kit. So, I guess it's fair game now. Although I'm not real interested in building one of these right now. It was a fun build, and I learned a lot of things to make it look right. And this looks like a great specimen to start with. I mean, you got all these cool, clean parts still on the trees. All right, guys, take care, and we will see you all on the next video. See ya. Bye.